Guys, look what we got here. It's the ultimate Madmax mobile. This isn't a Mk1 Escort. This is actually a TVR Tasmin. It's got a 3.5 litre V8 underneath. Started out life as a TVR Tasmin, and the creator has then moulded a Mk1 Escort shell over the top of it. If you don't believe me, check this out. Look at that. TVR. This thing is just an absolute work of art. The guy that built it is a carbon fibre specialist, so all the carbon fibre you see on this he's done himself. Our local garage managed to wreck this, but luckily the guy had a spare mould, so he's managed to bake us a new one. But I mean, just look at it, look at the wheels. It's got split rims on it. Look at the rear. Absolutely gorgeous. We go inside, check it out. Clearly not an Escort. Look at this transmission tunnel. Note the 50 cal gear shifter as well. It's got proper race seats, TRS harnesses, half roll cage. I don't even know why he's got a light up here, but something's going on there. All stripped out. Fire extinguisher in case you happen to catch on fire. And if you look here, you've got your light switches here. Still got a little bit of, not aircon, but whatever. And then to fire it up, you've got this lovely little switch here. You also notice, look how tight these are. I've got big feet, but I mean, look at this. This is seriously tight down here. The putter box is offset, but then he's also offset the actual pedals and drilled them like that. You've got the digital dash, all the race logic stuff, and then here. And it's certainly not the fastest car by all means, but in fact it's got a 3.5 litre V8 and it weighs about as much as a bag of feathers. You'd expect it to be pretty rabid, but it's surprisingly more like a Grand Tourer. It's very lazy, nice lazy V8. We had another Mk1 Escort, a Cosworth powered YB engine recently. That thing just wanted to rip your face off every single corner. It was very, very short geared, so that driving experience very different to this. But this, you can drive it everywhere. Beautiful car, lovely torque, and it just looks like nothing else on the road.